Two gentle ladies are planting out the bike. The freezing cold, coming here to pick up Roland. Okay, Roland.
Giorno.
Good morning. Just coming here. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, some little accident, sorry. Okay. Yeah. The green. Trying to be green. Green washing.
To be green.
The resin came here. These are our resin from the Vernici color from Ravenna. And that's for the boat. And that's Francesca. Finally Francesca. I'm coming from the point of view of Francesca. So, your name, tuo nome?
David.
David, thank you very much. You are just being part of the history. Stiamo facendo in inglese perché facciamo da Londra a Istanbul a remi con quella barca lì. E le tue resine donate da Vernici Color serviranno a costruire la barca. Se vai sul sito...
Water is the most important element that we have today.
So for you, what it means is that we are building here.
For us, for me and for us, is it's something wonderful because it's like we are like you in this wonderful adventure. You are the sailor, but we are the boat, no? And for us, it's also important because we are starting to understand how important it is to build this kind of future.
Okay, so we are rowing together.
May I say something?
Of course, thank
Hi,
you.
nice to meet you. My name is Cristina Rota and I am the PR and press office of this amazing company. And I have an idea. Probably if I use this boat to go from here to Milan and back, it will take less than going and coming back by train. I'm telling you.
I did it last year, so it's not properly like that, but it could be.
Could be.
Maybe in the next years could be. We're going back to work on it. And
I want to be the first passenger.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, Christina. Thank
My
you,
pleasure.
Nicola. You will be online soon. Bye-bye. Little update, Roland. I come here, the light is better. So, what's going on?
What's going on? We got a whole band of people working here.
Very cool. It's a band of
Band of this. Band of gypsies.
Band of gypsies. Jimi Hendrix quoting. And but is it going good? Tell something to the people watching us. So now we put on the stern and the aft.
That's the stem. That's the full stem. That's the bow.
So, and then the next step.
This is all. The next step. This has got to be fixed.
Yes.
The hog, the keelson, and then I'll start chamfering all the angles so that we can start putting up the boards. The garboard goes on first. And then gradually we go ahead with all the other planks.
Okay, that's perfect. That's enough.
Sì, telefonare. Solo ho visto l'ora, dico, ma magari non pensa. E quando siamo andati?
Giacomo, friends of the earth. Friends of the earth. Okay, here we are. Finally. Not easy to find. Friends of the earth. Buongiorno, gli amici della terra, mi scusi.
Gli amici della terra sono al primo piano, bisogna fare...
Di qua. Ok, grazie. Okay, now I cut because I didn't ask for the permission. So let's see inside. Here we are. Friends of the